Hey folks, welcome to another edition of Smokin' Sailor Barbecue. Today we are going to do some baby back ribs, and these are my wife's favorite. So we're going to use the mango habanero by Texas Pepper Jelly and brown sugar, and then my own custom pork rub. So let's get started. All right, folks, so we're going to start getting this marinated now and seasoned. So this is my wife's favorite. It is her birthday today. So make sure y'all tell her happy birthday in the comments. And I like this mango habanero. It gives it a real nice sweet and spicy candy flavor. And now I'm not sponsored by them. It just happens to be my wife's favorite. So we are going to get this done. And next, we're going to be putting on the rub. And now for the brown sugar. All right, folks, now that I have the rib candy on there, the rub, and the brown sugar, we are good to go. So we're going to go ahead and get this in the smoker. All right, folks, now that we're here and the smoker is up to temp, we're going to go ahead and get this in the smoker. And for today, I'm going to be using a little bit of hickory and applewood. All right, it's time. The internal temp has reached about 150 degrees. So we're going to pull the ribs out and we're going to wrap it in foil and then put it back in. Now we're going to put a final layer of the rib candy on the ribs, and then we will smoke them for another hour, and then we'll be done. All right, folks, the ribs are done, and we're going to go ahead and pull them out. These ribs are so good with the mango habanero sauce. Just gives it a different type of flavor.